All right, let's go. Hello. Do you need a hand? All right, let's go get Mommy.
Oh, crap. Oh, you're hanging onto the edge. See you later. Oh no, turn! Turn it!
Chance for those who can't make it to Vancouver to catch a little Olympic spirit. The Olympic torch will be winding its way through our region, allowing as many people as possible to see the flag for the 2010 Winter Olympics. The run begins next October, and locations it will visit locally include London, Woodstock, Strathroy, Stratford, Hanover, and Walkerton. Now, this was the scene back in January 1988 when the torch made its way through London in advance of the Olympics. The Vancouver torch will travel more than 4,500 kilometers and pass through more than 1,000 communities. In fact, it goes to ensure 90% of the population will be less than an hour's drive to BC. And London